participants. Also unmuted. Do you know Armstrong number? Armstrong number. There are 10 questions. Yes. If you know, skip it. If you don't know, try to write it. At the end, which you feel difficult, I'll explain the code. Explanation also not required. If I write code, all of you can understand. Yes or no? Just I will show the code, you can understand. I will explain where you cannot understand. Yes. Start. Right. Not now. First to try.
Hi guys, online students, can you hear my voice? Online people, is my voice audible? Hi guys, is my voice audible? Yeah, right guys, so look at the question, read the question and try to write the logic for that question. For each question, you will get 10 minutes of time. So think about that logic and try to write that logic. Okay, come on, start. Sir, show the question. Sir, show the questions one by one from top to bottom. Yeah.
Yes.
Read out the question and for each question give 10 minutes of time. They will try to write the logic in their notebook.
See the screen. If you know already, not required. If you have not done previously, those questions only attended. Even already you attended, not required. But some questions are there, you are not attended till now. You are very you have very much knowledge in structures. It is basics, no? So sir discussed around 10 classes. You attend. First question everyone knows, not required to attempt. If you don't know, attempt it. If you cannot, I will explain. If you already done 10 days back, 1 month back, not required. Go to second question. You have done first 10 questions, go to 11th question. Yes. If you cannot understand the question, I will explain. Which one you cannot understand? Armstrong number? Yes. It is there, it is given. Line, question number. Sum of cubes of individual digits equal to that number. That is Armstrong number. Sum of cubes of each digit. It is there. Highlighted. That is Armstrong number. My voice is not clear. I will type it here.
Guys, you need to write the logic for all the questions which are displaying on the screen. Try to write the logic for all the questions which are given in the screen. Take the question, first question, and write the logic in your notebook. Once it is completed, then go for second question and write the logic in your notebook. If second question is completed, then go for third question and write the logic. So you need to write, you need to think, and you need to write the logic for all the questions.
No answers. You have to attempt. Answers will be last. End of the session. End of the session, I will give the solution. If I give the solution, now logic will be developed for me. You have to develop the logic. No, don't give answers in the chat, not before. Answer in your laptop or on the paper. Don't give answers like this. Someone posted. Yes. Answer. Not required. It will be exposed to others. fourth number, Java program to display math table. Math table means, suppose if you enter 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 tens are 19. That is table. Table should be displayed. Using the scanner, you can read number display. If you have already done 15 days back, not required, skip, go for next one. For the given number, table should be displayed. You don't have clarity on structures. Just look at the screen and take these structures. Correct it. In your paper form, it is not there. These are the structures. Out of this 20, almost at least 10 you know, already you have done in the past. Remaining you attempt, at least 5, 6 you attempt. Remaining 3, 4, I will explain. So that is the intention. Just first correct the structures.
Guys, I have sent the question paper in the group also. You can go through that paper and you can try that.
Yeah. Question paper. Yeah. On the screen, everyone can see now. Online people. Including structures, around 25 questions. 24 or 25.
Guys, question paper sent to you in the WhatsApp group also. Please take that. Online people, take the question paper from the group and write the logic one by one.
structures, everyone corrected. On the paper, it is not properly written. Huh? What? What is it? Direct? Laptop? No, I'm not getting. Okay. What is this? Okay. Yeah. You understood now? You understood now? Mathematics you can understand. Display through program. Right? Java program to display for the given number, table should be displayed. That's it. To read the number, scanner is there. Then table should be displayed. One for loop, 10 times repetition, iterations.
So show them the first 10 questions. That is sufficient for today. First 10 questions.
Yeah, first 10.
Go to top. Yeah. First 10 questions. That is sufficient. Read one by one questions, all the questions. They will try to write the logic.
Not required to show me, just to do it. You know answer is correct or not. You know even numbers, odd numbers. Yes. Output should be displayed. Even numbers, odd numbers between the given numbers. Table means you know. From the series, you know. These numbers should be displayed when you execute the program. Here display the first 10 numbers. Here just correct it. First 10 numbers of Fibonacci series. 10 numbers. First 10 numbers. 10 or 20 numbers. If you write a loop, it will be displayed. If you write, if your logic is correct, any numbers you can display.
So read out the question one by one and tell them that what is the question. They will write the logic.
So display all the even numbers between 50 and 70. How many ways you can do? We can do 3-4 ways. One for loop, starting from 50 to 70. Instead of incrementing I plus plus, you can write I plus equal to 2. That is one way. What is the other way? I modulus 2 equal to 0 or I modulus 2 equal to 1. That is for odd numbers. There are so many ways to do it, but at the end you have to get the output. Yes. This is, I think everyone can do even numbers and odd numbers. One for loop, then increment by 2. Increment by 2. Yes. Voice is not clear. Others, what about others? Others it is clear, voice is clear. Now is it okay? Once again respond, please respond in the chat. Yes, going not clear. Voice was not clear. Voice.
Sir, can we get the report on online? No, it's not possible.
Report.
No, sir. Sorry. I mean, I will be.
Switch case report.
This is also switch case.
means which is months of the season. That is not trigger. Reverse. I'll show the code. Today, 22 plus 6 6 12 2020 should be split building. For 10th question, not only I and the 8, try to display 3-4 characters till you get confidence. Till you get confidence. That is A to Z. A to Z. Numbers also 0 to 9. At least 3-4 numbers. At least 5-6 alphabets. 5 to 6 alphabets you have to display. I showed I. You have to display X also, W, M, 5 to 6 alphabets. At least one to display numbers also 0 to 9. Right. This entity mapping dot in JPA. Try to attempt up to this enough time. You cannot attempt all now. Out of this 10, already everyone know at least 6, 7, remaining 3, 4 attempt.
arrange to one with the numbers number arrange to one multiple number input line system. And 13, 14, 15 concept will be same and concept switch. Then one will done. And the number of bits. Then given numbers scanner enter some number. Entering number. Say some number. Say some number. Say some number. Say some number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. How many number of digits are there? 5. 5. Number of digits.
all digital instruction में input क्या system two, three, 4, 5, 6. Which number will be added? So question number 12 and question number 17.
10, 1 to 10, 50, 1 to 10. What is 7 number? 71. Suppose if I enter 54, 2 plus 3 plus 4. Suppose if you have 1, 10. Suppose you enter 20. Say some number. Say some number. 20. 40 number 4,000. 4,000. 43, 39. How many numbers are there? 4. The sum of these digits. What is this? 7 plus 1. See the number of digits. Well, this is reverse. 2, 9, 3, 4.
show the next questions. Did you attempt it all? Sir, can you please show the next questions? I will show, no problem. But did you attempt all the remaining questions after this? I will show. Okay. Let's get. Okay. I will do the solution for one or two. Again, try. This one corrected stops now display properly. Complete up to 8. Okay. Try remaining. Pascal triangle in 9th to 10th class. Everyone know what is Pascal triangle? Pascal triangle. At least in intermediate. Is there in 9th class or 10th class? What is this two? Sum of this two. 1. 1 plus 1. This is 2. 3 plus 3. This is 6. 4 plus 6. This is 10. 10 plus 10. 20. We take any number. 1 plus 5. 6. 10 plus 5. 15. 3 plus 1. 4. please discuss the pattern based program. Definitely, I will show the pattern based program. We try for another 5 minutes. I will start at 9:50. I will give you the solution. I will give the hint. You try the remaining. How to do the programs, patterns. Shall I give solution for any of the? Can you choose one question? Pascal Brandon? Yes. First way. You are in advance. Are you able to display this structure? Are you able to display this star? This star. Anyone display this star? Star. Display. Yes. This is a structure. If you are able to display star, all structures you can display. This is what? This is the left to lower triangle. This one. If you change the condition, this structure will be displayed. What is this? Which triangle it is? Which triangle it is? This one? Upper left. This is upper left. This one? Upper right. This one? Lower right. All this you get displayed. Yes. Next. Remaining. Yes. Choose one. Pascal. Do you have idea what is Pascal triangle? Or it is not engineering subject. It is 9th, 10th, 8th class. How you get these numbers? 18 number question. Display the reverse number. What is difficulty? I don't understand. Say some number. Suppose this is the number. What is the reverse number? 4, 6, 7, 5. Shall I explain this? Shall I explain this? Pascal only? Pascal only. First, what is Pascal? How do we get these numbers? Any idea? Any idea? No idea. Any idea? No idea. Program only. Program I will show. Program is not a problem. Already ready-made program. I will show the code. You have to understand. First, how do you get these numbers? 1 plus okay. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6. Everyone knows. But how you are getting this 1 1 1 2 2? Any idea? No idea. Nobody have any idea? I will explain. I will give the hint. You can do not great thing. If you know recursive function, you can attempt this. But I will give the hint. Now try to understand. Try to understand. First, try to understand what is Pascal. Yes. Here, A plus B. A plus B. Next, A plus B whole square. Whole square. Next, A plus B whole cube. A plus B power 4. Yes. Why is what is the power? Can you show on the board, please? What is this board? I will show it. Can you people understand this? No, I will explain one side. So online can people understand this? Observe here. First observe here. What is the coefficient of what is this A plus? What is this A plus B whole square? A square. Think that A square plus 2AB plus B square, right? What is A plus B cube? 1 minute. A cube plus 3 A square B plus 3 A B square plus B cube. Can you say what is 4? A power 4 plus 6 A cube B 6 no 4 A cube B plus 6 A square B square plus 4 A B cube plus B power 4 up to this. Now over here. What is the coefficient of A plus B? A plus B means A plus B coefficient is 1, 1, 1. That's why you will get here You will get here 1. 1. Here. 1. Here you will get 1. 1. Here 1. Now observe here. What is the coefficient of a square? Coefficient of a square is 1. What is the coefficient of AB? 2. What is the coefficient of B square? 1. Right. Similarly, can you say here? Are you able to follow everyone? What is the coefficient of A cube? What is the coefficient of A square B? 3. What is 3? This is 1 plus 2. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. What is this next one? Yes. Here again 3. Here again 1. Here actually 1. Here 0 1. Here 1 more. A plus B. A plus B. Power 1. Power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. Anything power 0 is 1. Anything power 1 is that itself. What is that? A plus B. A plus B. Now you get it. Yes. Here, what is the coefficient of A? 1. What is the coefficient of B? 1. Now, come to last one. If you understand up to this 4, then the remaining you can understand. Yes. What is the coefficient of A power 4? Next. 4. 6. 4. Yes. 4. 1. Everyone able to follow what I am discussing? Yes. Anything power 0. Here A plus B power 0. A plus B power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. Anything power 0 is 1. Right. Yes. What is this? No, not able to follow. Okay. Once again I will explain. Yes. I am trying to explain this. Oh, what is this? I will explain once again what is the formulas used. I will explain this formulas. First, try to understand this. Can you please bring it to paint to see what you mean? What is under formula is? Anything power 0, anything power. Once again, I am explaining. Once again, I will explain. Everyone know A plus B whole square, A plus B whole cube, A plus B power 4. From this only, Pascal triangle is defined. Anything power 0 is 1. Anything power 0 is 1. A plus B power 0 is how much? 1. Right. Yes. Online people able to follow? A plus B power 0 is 1. Online people able to follow? Yes. Next. Here I will write A plus B power 1. Power 1. This one 0. I will write it 0 here. I will write 0 here. Anything power 0 is the same thing. Means you will get A plus B only. A plus B only. Now the here. Which one is power here? Oh, here I am not able to show power. A plus B power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. Anything power 0 is 1. Yes. Which is A and which is B. B, this is B now. A plus B whole square. Yes. Not to follow. Not able to follow A plus B whole square, which is B. This is AB I am showing now. AB may be anything. Cannot see your cursor moving. Okay, right. Not able to see cursor movement. Now we are able to see. Now we are able to see. Yes. Here, what are the coefficient of A? Yes, it is 1 coefficient. Yes, 1A. How many B's are there? Yes. We can see only highlighted 2. Yes. Highlighted 2. 1 minute. I will explain once again. Let me follow. Yes. This is one. This is how you get second row. Second row in the Pascal bracket. Now a plus b power 2. I am not showing power 2. It is 2. Assume that it is power 2. What is a power 2? Yes. A square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. B square, right? Now what is the coefficient of a square? 1. What is the coefficient of AB? 2. What is the coefficient of B square? 1. B square is 1, right? Explain what we are facing. 1 minute. Unmute, I want you to explain what we are doing. Yes. What is his name? Yes. What is your name? I will unmute you. What is his name? Yes, he. Today. 1 minute. It is today. Today, no. Today, no. Today, no. One minute. Today, right? Yes.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
1 minute.
Sir, can you hear me?
Ask.
Yeah, sir, my name is Jyoti, but you see my son name. That's the reason it is.
Okay.
What I'm trying to say that is, you are explaining well, but the reason we are not able to follow is, which one you mean to say A, which one you mean to say B here in this example, because your cursor is not moving. It just stays only one place. So in your example, when you say A plus B,
Are you able to see the screen now?
we can just see the screen as a static. It is just staying at the problem number 19
Yes. Wait. Here,
in
here.
Pascal and the line number
On the,
third line. It's not moving at all.
Yeah, it is. You are at the end of the course. I am assuming that all the first 10-15 problems you can understand. I will do the solution. I will do the key. I will send the solution for all the problems to your WhatsApp or something. Yes, I will communicate. But I am explaining here most of the. Please keep silence. Keep silence. Keep silence. Keep silence. Here, what I am trying to explain is most of you don't know what is Pascal triangle, how Pascal numbers are displayed. This is what I am trying to communicate. How you are getting these numbers. How you are getting these numbers. Everyone knows what is a plus b whole square. Yes. Based on this, these numbers you will get it. Now, next one. A plus, if voice is not clear, you can see the numbers. I will send the solution also, no problem. Just to try to understand on the screen. By looking at screen, you can understand what I am explaining this.
Sir, I'll make it simple.
Yeah.
But what we are trying to say that is, if you can bring your another document, either notepad or another one, paint kind of a thing, and say that, let's say first line is 1 and second line is 2. So from first line to second line, when we are going to the second line, in that if your example, you're saying that A plus B, power
Yeah.
of 0, power of 1, power of 2, like that, right?
Yes.
But our challenge is, do you mean power is nothing but the line number, which row we are in? And then A and B is nothing but what are the two numbers that we are considering in the part of the example. So I think that way we can follow through what you are saying and it will be more helpful.
Yeah. Yeah. This is I'm trying to explain how the Pascal numbers. Just understand the how numbers are getting. This is Pascal
Correct.
numbers.
Correct.
Triangle
To
and
get
straight. This is
correct. So let's say we are in the first line 1, right?
yes. In
That's
the
the
first
starting
line,
line.
yes, I will show. Yes. In the first
Yeah.
line, please keep silent. Yes. You can discuss later. While you are discussing in the class. In the first line, it is a plus b power 0. Anything power 0 is what everyone knows. It is 1 only. This is 1 only. That's why in
So
the
what
first
is
row,
the A and B in this, sir? In the first example, first line.
A and B may be anything. A and B is yes. It may be 2
Uh,
3. It may be 2 plus 3. It may be 5 minus 5 plus 6. Anything. You can replace with any number. A plus B. It is A
okay.
plus B whole square formula is there in the 8th, 9th in our academics.
Correct.
You can
Correct.
replace with any numbers. You can replace with any numbers, right? Anything
Okay.
power 0, any for A is a variable, B is a variable. Instead of A, B, you can give any number. Here you can replace with those numbers, you will get the result. This is clear?
So what we have to replace A and B in this example? Any number? So for line, let's take for line number 1. For line number 1.
Wait. That is not in our logic. Our logic is limited to this coefficient only. Here,
Okay.
suppose see a plus b power 1. Suppose if you replace 5 plus 6, what is 5 plus 6?
11.
11. 11 power 1 is how much? 11 only. Yes or no?
11. Yes.
If you replace 5 plus 6, yes, 5 plus 6, you will get 11 only. Now observe here. Here 2 plus 3. Now replace 2 power 2. This is 2 power 2. Here 2 into 3. Here.
So, but why? What is the reference to take 2 and 3? In before we took 5 and 6, and now we are taking 2 and 3.
Any number you can replace with any number. 3 into 3. Yes. This is a plus b whole square. A plus b power 2. A plus b power 2. This is the formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula. This is the result you will get. But this is not our concept. This is not our concept. Our concept is limited for Pascal triangle. Only coefficients you have to take. You can replace A and B with any number. Any number. That is clear?
Okay.
Our logic is limited to yes. How you are getting this number? So that's all. 2ab plus b square. Right. This is how you will get these numbers. Here instead of a plus b, you can write xy also. This is variable only, right? Now what is cube? Yes, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Yes. Now what is the number you are going to get here? 1, 3, yes, 3, yes, 1. Now this is clear. This is clear. What is NCR? All of you know. It is not required you should be an engineering student, you should be some other student. NCR, where is it? In 7th class, 8th class, 9th class, it is there. Everyone knows this logic. Yes or no? What is NCR? N factorial by No. R factorial into n minus r. N minus r factorial. This is there in our 8th, 9th class. Yes, sir. Assuming that you know all this logic. Yes, I will explain this. NCR. If you know this logic, yes, based on this only, you will get this. You will get this. This Pascal triangle. This Pascal triangle, right? N factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Here, what is the row number? Here, this is first one is 0C0. First one is 0C0. 0th row. 0th row. Yes. 0C. It is little bit difficult. Screen is not sharing server. Not sharing. Share the armor. Here 1C0, 1C1. But next, second row, 2C0, 2C1, 2C2. Able to follow? Able to follow? At least few students? Yes. Here. Here. Anyone? 3C0, 3C1, 3C2, 3C3, 3C3. This is clear? Now this move, I'll move this here. This values you will get like this. Yes. 0C0 is 1. Anything 3C0, 8C0 is 1 only. Anything 2C0, 3C0, 4C0, 8C0 is 1. That is one. That is how you will get this one value. Anything yes. NCN also 1. 1C1, 2C2, 3C2. NCN is 1 only. That's why in the diagonal you will get 1. All this once you will get. Next 2C1, 2 factorial by 1 factorial into 1 factorial. That is nothing but 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Yes, you will get this logic. You will get this 2. How you are getting this number? Do you know this logic? You know this? How you are getting? Understood? Similarly, 3C1, 3C2. Yes. How you will get this number? For this, you have to write what? You should know factorial. How do you get factorial? Factorial value? Yes. Recursive. Recursive function you have to call. Recursive function you have to call. That's all. It is as simple as that. I will show you one example. I will show the code. Yes. I will try to explain. You try to understand. Pascal triangle. I will type this one. This is the code for Pascal. If I enter, what is the number? 5. Means 5 rows should be displayed. 5 rows you will get. You analyze it. It is already, logic is already, you know Java. You are at the end of the course. You can understand the code, assuming that. Yes. Now observe here. Yes, you got it. Logic, you got it. It is displayed. Now I will explain the logic. I will explain the logic. Try to understand. Nothing recursive function only. Nothing recursive function only. Now observe here. This is a class, yes, main class. To take the number, any number you can take, or you can write a scanner. You get the number from the dynamically from command prompt. Yes, this is number 5. Yes, take some variable number, another variable factor number. Take 2 variables. It is required. How many spaces I want to display? Yes, for 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you give 5, 6 rows will be displayed. If you give 10, 11 rows will be displayed. If you give 100, 101 rows will be displayed. That is n plus 1. N plus 1. Now clear? If it is 5, then 5 spaces required. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 spaces, then 1 should be displayed. This is clear. Next, 4 spaces, 3 spaces, 2 spaces, 1 space, no space. 1 space, no space. Now clear? Now come to this. This one. First, roll number starts with 0. Yes. How many? Yes. Pascal number. How many rows? If you give n means n plus 1. 5 means 5 plus 1. If you start with 0 up to row number, that is 5. 0 to 5 means 6. This is clear? This is clear. Then row number will be incremented by 1. This is 1 for row. This is for now. This is number of rows. How many number of rows for 5 number? How many number of rows? 6 rows. 6 rows. 6 rows. How many spaces? Yes. Here spaces. Then 0. It is Pascal number minus row number. What is Pascal number? 5. What is row number? 0. 0. 5 minus 0? 5. So 5 spaces will be printed here. 5 spaces will be printed. This is clear? Line number 8 and 8, 9 and 10. This is for loop. Inner for loop clear? This is for number of spaces. Suppose in the next row, what is row number? 1 up. 5 minus 1? 4. So 4 spaces for second line. For third line, 3 spaces. Fourth line, 2 spaces. Fifth line, 1 space. Sixth line, 0 space. Now this is clear. Up to this clear. Next come to this. Factorial 0. NC0 now. 0C0, 1C0, 2C0. Further. First number is 0. Factorial number is less than up to row number. Here, what is incrementing now? Observe here. Here, what is incrementing? What is decrementing? See, first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, observe here. This is R. 0, 1. In the next line, 0, 1.
Sir, why you are not showing what you are talking, sir? Because we are just, blindfolded what you are saying. Are you, when you are telling to the people in the offline, are you referring them something? Because for us, nothing moving. We can only hear your, we can hear only your words.
Screen, we are not able to see anything on other than
We are not able to. We are not able to hear in.
Are you not able to see?
Nothing. We can see only your
They are
control
saying
flow.
only questions. 1 minute. Yeah. How to share? You share.
Share the entire screen,
Okay.
not the only the one app.
This one first. 1 minute. Oh, this one not able to show 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's why you are not understanding. Okay, right. Here a plus b power 0. Anything power 0 is what? Anything power 0 is 1. Online people, can you understand?
Yes.
Anything power 0 is 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Anything power 1 is what? The same number. Suppose a plus b. Here it may be anything. You can replace with any value, a plus b. A plus b is 1 only. A plus B. What is the coefficient of A? It is 1. What is the coefficient of B? Again it is 1. Right. That's why it is 1 and 1. 1 and 1. Similarly here, coefficient of A square is 1. Coefficient of AB is 2. Coefficient of B square is 1. Next, A plus B whole cube. Here, what is the coefficient of A cube is 1. Coefficient of A square B is 3. Here, coefficient of AB square is 3. Coefficient of B3 is 1. This is how Pascal triangle will be displayed. This is about Pascal triangle. Everyone knows this A plus B whole square, A plus B whole cube, everything. This one clear? You got
Yes.
some clarity?
Yes.
Yes. Here, how to represent 1? This is NCR formula is there. NCR in the mathematics, 10th class, 9th class, it is there. NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. N minus r factorial. This is the math related to mass. You can replace with any number. N and r is replaced with any number. In the first row, that is 0th row, 0C0. 0C0 is 1. Because factorial of 0 is 1. Factorial of 0 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1 only you will get. Anything 1C0, 2C0, 3C0, 4C0, NC0 is 1 only. That's why in this diagonal you are getting 1 number 1. Similarly, 1C1, 2C2, 3C3, NCN is 1 only. That's why number you are getting 1 only. Here, this is nothing but 3 factorial by 3 factorial, 2 factorial by 2 factorial, 1 factorial by 1 factorial. You will get 1 only. In between, 2C1 means 2 factorial by 1 factorial. Nothing but 2 by 1. That's why you are getting 2. Similarly, you will get remaining numbers 3C1 and 3C2. Based on this formula, you will get this triangle. Yes. Now able to follow? Yes. Online you will able to follow? Able to follow? Yes.
Yes.
Is it difficult? Yes. It is only some mathematics. That's all. Now I will share the screen of the program. Yes. This is screen. Now this is the code. I want to display 5 rows. That is 6 rows. Pascal number is 5. For that, I want to display Pascal triangle. For that, I have written some logic. The logic is, if you give some number, then the number of rows is number plus 1. 5 means 5 plus 1. 6 rows you will get. For that, I am writing one loop. As number is 0 up to Pascal number. That is 0 to 5. Means 6 rows. 6 rows I am displaying. 6 rows I am displaying. I will show this one.
Can you explain that, sir? Whatever you are,
Yeah,
I think
am
we are seeing
explaining,
first time.
I am at first line only. Yes. This row, yes. Starting is 0. First row is 0. Second row is 1. Third row is 2. Fourth row is 3, 4, 5. Up to 5. Up to 5. That means total 6 rows. This is a loop. For loop, you know. For loop,
Yes.
you know. How many times it will iterate? 6 times it will iterate. 6
Correct.
times it will iterate means 6 rows. 6 times it will iterate. Means for 6 rows, I am going to write the logic. Here, what is the logic? First, you have to display the spaces. First, you have to display the spaces. Every time you have to share.
No, this is good. We can see that. This is good.
Able to see?
Yeah, we are able to see your we can see your program now. You moved to the program. Before it was a notepad, now you are program. We can
now
see.
observe here. This is Pascal triangle. Not able to see this one. One second. One month. One minute. This is not enough. Now able to see the. Now able to see. Yes. Now able to see this is Pascal triangle output. After execution of this program, you are getting this output. I am explaining this how you are getting this. Total how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are given a number is 5. For 5, 6 rows you will get. 6 rows you will get. Now how I am displaying these numbers? How I am displaying these numbers? I am going to explain. In the first row, there are 5 spaces. Second row, 4 spaces. Third row, 3 spaces. Then 2, 1, 0. This is spaces I am displaying. This is spaces I am displaying. How to display these spaces? Yes. Yes. One minute. Here.
It's a news here.
This one.
This one. जो भी खुला है वो देखो.
Okay. Now this is about this first for loop. Line 6 is for 6 numbers. Line 6 is for to display number of rows. To display number of rows. Now next, inner for loop is for number of spaces. Number of spaces. What is Pascal number? Pascal number is 5. What is row number? Row number is 0. Row number is 0. 5 minus 0, 5. So 5 spaces. First time 5 spaces. Next time row number will be 1. 5 minus 1, 4 rows, 4 spaces. Next line 3 spaces, 2 spaces, 1 space, 0 space. That is what you are getting here. The number of spaces, how you are getting using
But
this.
you say that one space, right, sir?
One
So
space
at the
only.
end,
First
at the
time
end we
five-
don't have
first time
space.
5 spaces, no? Next to 4,
Okay.
3,
Okay.
2, 1. Next iteration, no, it will be decremented. Row number will be incremented, no? Row number I am incrementing.
Okay.
Row number incrementing. Row number increments means number of spaces will decrease. This is for, now this is clear. This is space. Space I am giving now, number of spaces, right? Now next one. This is factorial value. Next factorial value. What is the factorial value? This is NC0. This is simple logic. You everyone know recursive function. Yes or no? First now try to understand this. You cannot call instance method from static method. That's why I declared this method as static. This method as static. Here, suppose number. What is factorial? Suppose factorial of 4 is what? Factorial of 4 is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equal to 24. Equal to 24 you will. Yes. Now how you are getting? Yes. Suppose this number is 3. Is this equal to 1 or 0? No. It will not. It will return 1 only when number is 1. Otherwise, now it comes. Control comes here. Now this number will be replaced with what? 3. 3. 3 into yes. 3 into yes. Factorial of 3 minus 1. That is nothing but 2. Yes. Then in the next step, what happens? Once again, I am calling. Next 3 into 3 into 2 into no factorial of 1. Factorial of 1. Factorial of 1. When it is 1, now number is 1. When number is 1, it returns 1. Returns 1 means now this will be replaced with what value? 1. 3 into 2 into 1 equal to 6. This is how it returns. It returns what is this value? This is the factorial of 3. Similarly, factorial of 4, 5, any number it returns. This recursive function already Ashok sir explained, not required to explain. It calculates factorial value. Now try to understand this two. Try to understand this two. Only these two lines you have to understand. Here, this is nothing but S. Factorial number, fact number is 0. 0 up to row number. Up to row number. I want to calculate. In the first row, what is this? I'm sure. Yes. Concentrate on 12 to 15. Try to understand 12 to 15 lines. 12 to 15 lines. Yes. Now, here. First one is S. N factorial. In this case, what is N? N is 0. 0 factorial is 1. 1. 0 factorial is 1. Now, here. 0 factorial is 1. 1 by R factorial. What is R? R is second 0. Again, 0 factorial is 1. 1 into S. Next, N minus R. Nothing but 0 minus 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is 0 only. Again, 0 factorial is 1 only. 1 into 1. 1 into 1. So 1 by 1 equal to 1. Here you will get 1 like this. 1 you will get like this. Now this is clear. Here observe. Factorial row number by factorial of fact number into factorial of row number minus fact number. Row number minus fact number. Now in the second case, 1C0, right? 1C0. For 1C0, what is the factorial? Yes, 1 factorial. 1 factorial by 1 factorial by R factorial. What is R factorial? 0 factorial into 1 minus 0 factorial. 0 factorial. So what is the output? Yes, 1 factorial is 1. 0 factorial is 1 into 1 minus 0 is 1. Yes, 9. 1 by 1 equal to 1. You will get 1 here. You will get this 1 here. You get 1. Similarly, you will get 1C1. Once again, I will show 1C1. What is this? 1 factorial by S. 1 factorial into 1 minus 1 factorial S. Now what is the output? S? 1 by 1 into again 0 fact 1 minus 1 0 factorial is 1 equal to 1 by 1. This is 1. How? This 1 you will get. This 1 you will get. Similarly, 2C0 is 1 you will get. 1 you will get. Next, 2C1. I will show. What is 2C1? 2C1 is 2 factorial by 1 factorial. 1 factorial into 1 minus 1 factorial into yes 2 minus 1 factorial. What is the result? 2 factorial is how much? 2 by 1 factorial is 1 into 2 minus 1 is 1 only. This is 2 by 1. This is 2. This is how you will get it. This is 2. How you will get it? Now understood? Logic understood? No. Confusion. You go through 1 by 1. You go through 1 by 1. I'm giving overview. Yes. Remaining you just this 2 lines 1 by 1. Replace this. I will explain once again this. Take one 3C1 3C1 or 3C2.
Sir, I have a question. From your second triangle to the third triangle, how are you getting that? How, let's say 1 is translated to 0C0 and 1 is translated to 1C0, 1C1?
Yes. This one 1 1 1.
Yeah.
How you this one? Yes.
Correct.
This is 0th row now.
zeroth row. And what is the next zero? First zero is the row, and what is the next zero?
0 is the first row. 0 is the first
Okay.
row. It starts with 0. See, observe second line. This is 0 and 1. This is 0, 1, 2. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is till it is equal to this number. Till it is n. This is RC, NC, R. This is
No,
first
we
one,
understand
0.
understand the NCR, but the one we are trying to understand is
Yes, it
that
starts
0
with
C 0? 0 is so first 0 is the 0 and second 0 is the column. First 0 is the row and second 0 is the column.
Yes. First one is left side indication is row number.
Okay.
This is row number. See this
Okay.
one. In last, see the last one. This is
Okay.
third
What
row.
is the second number?
1 minute. This is 0th row.
Okay.
This is first row. First row means left side all 1, 1, 1. This is second row. This is third row. Actually fourth row. This is 0th row. No, that's why it is third row. It is showing 3, 3, 3, 3. Then R. R comes where? R starts with 0, 0 up to n. Up to n. It starts with 0. First one 0. Next one 0, 1. 0, 1, 2. Up to that n. Up to that n. You will get it. You can understand this. I will write one more.
So the second first number we understand. So second number indicates the column number, or second number what it means?
This one NC. This one
Yeah.
second number. So
Second number.
Second number starts with 0 until
Okay.
Until n. See the first one 0, 1. See 0, 1, 2 means in every row the number of digits equal to that many number. Now observe here. See first one, in the first row how many numbers are there? Only one number. In the second
Correct.
row how many numbers are there? Two numbers, 0 and 1. In the third row how many numbers are there? Three numbers, 0, 1, 2. In the third there are 4 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is with for loop only you will get. You have to analyze one by one, step by step. Little bit logic is there. If I execute, if I change this number, now observe here. Instead of 5, say some number. I will give 4. 4 means how many rows you will get? 5 rows you will get. Now observe here. Yes, how many rows? 5 rows you are getting.
Okay.
Now you just analyze this. I will send all these notes, all these examples with code. In Instagram, I will share this code. You analyze it. If you have any doubt, Ashok sir will explain once again. I cannot explain like what Ashok sir will explain. I can show only code. Okay? Remaining any doubt means yes, you can share. Okay, Madam Jyotiya.
Yes. I'm Jyoti.
I will send in the group.
Okay.
Everything will be shared.
Share in the WhatsApp group, sir. That there is
Share
a
in the
group.
WhatsApp group. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the WhatsApp group. Okay?
Sure.
Okay, time is up.
Send the total answers.
Total answers.
120 question answers in the group.
I will do it. Okay. Okay, tomorrow same time. Ashok sir will take.
Or set 5:30 minutes.
Yeah? 5:30.
Java collection and